Hello, here we are with an excerpt from Beethoven's Symphony No. 5. Also, given an opus number, this is opus 67, and the Roman numeral 1 there means that this is the first movement, and what we have is measures 484 to the very end of the piece. This is Professor Horlacher again, if you haven't guessed by now, and what I'd like you to do is think about how this piece has such a grand climactic ending at the end of its first movement. These are the final bars of the piece, and of course this is an orchestra piece, but what you see here is a score that's been reduced, so it could be played at the piano, for example. The link on the soft chalk document, on the week 3 document, has the whole orchestra playing, so you can get the effect, but it's a little bit easier to read this score in its reduced format. What I'd like you to do is post a comment on Forum number 3 about how this is such a wonderful, dramatic ending. And this has been a week when we've been studying 1 and 5 chords. And you can see here that all that Beethoven uses is 1 and 5 chords. But how is it that he makes this such a strong, dramatic ending? And so your comments could come in the form of sentences about harmony, about melody, about the voice leading that Beethoven uses, how he uses the minor scale, why there is such a strong cadence at the end, anything about rhythm and meter or register. Go write a couple of sentences about how Beethoven uses all of these parameters to make for such a strong ending. I'll look forward to reading your comments and see you in class.